You are now tuned in with Trophy. Go Trophy. We can laugh, crack jokes, be open. Go Trophy. Only with Trophy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a wig review from Junoda Hair. This is everything that they sent in the package. Today I'll be applying the 4.5x6 glueless wig. This is a pre-cut wig, it's pre-plucked and it's pre-bleached. So I'm showing you guys an up close look of what the hairline looks like. They kind of cut it in a wavy pattern so that it's not detectable when you put it on. So it's pretty wide. I haven't had a 4.5x6 closure wig ever. I didn't even know it existed. So this is the dimensions of the cap. You get 2 clips on the side, you get a clip in the back, and it has this rubber part. I think that helps with slippage. So yeah, that's the silicone strap. It helps so that you have better grip and your wig won't slip off. And this is an air wig, which is pretty cool and it's really good for the summertime, so you won't be sweating. Your hair has room to breathe and you don't have to worry about glue allergies or scalp irritation because your hair will be able to breathe. And then it also has an elastic band which is adjustable. So as usual, I'm just trying on the wig and just seeing what it looks like. As you can see, the lace definitely needs to be tinted, so we're going to take it off and I'm going to tint it with my even lace spray. I have the darkest brown color. And then I'm gonna put the wig back on. As you guys can see, there's a major difference from just tinting the lace. And y'all, this is really all I have to do. I mean, I'm gonna straighten it and everything, but this was like a 3-second install when you really think about it. So to get rid of the wiggy look, of course, I am going to add some wax to the top of my head, and I'm gonna go in with my hot comb. So this is a straight wig, but I'm gonna go in and flat iron it because of course when it's in the packaging, it kind of gets little crinkles on it. The hair is 22 inches and it is 180% density. Okay, so for this wig, I'm just doing very light layers. Like as you can see, I just pulled a very small amount of hair out in the front, and I'm just going to frame my face just a little bit. Okay, y'all, so I am done with installing the hair. Like I said, this is a super easy 3-second install, and I like the fact that you can just put it on and take it off whenever you want to. This is a perfect wig for the summertime because y'all know it's hot, and I like the fact that it has the 3D dome cap so that you can definitely let your scalp breathe. This wig is really nice. As you can see, it has a lot of body and movement and shine. Like I said, this is 22 inches, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like from the back and how long it is on me. As y'all can see, the wig is completely glueless. So if you guys are interested in this glueless pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached air cap wig, make sure you guys click the link down below in the description, or if you want to check out any of their other wigs. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.